Zhimi launches a radiator under the name Xiaomi Zhimi stands out for integrating Wi-Fi connections so that we can control it from the mobile. The smartphone continues to gain importance in the home as a nerve center to control a large part of the connected elements. A radiator model that Zhimi says is capable for a room between 10 and 20 square meters thanks to the 1,600 watts of consumption it offers. With a conservative design, the Xiaomi Zhimi offers a system in which the air enters from the bottom, heating it inside and expelling it through the upper area. The Xiaomi Zhimi has IPX4 protection to protect it from splashes, so it can be used in the bathroom without fear of water problems. They have also integrated several security systems, such as the one that causes them to switch off if the temperature exceeds 95 or if it tilts more than 45. The control through the smartphone requires that we download the Mijia application. In this way we can turn on or off the radiator, as well as how to set the temperature at which we want the house to be when we arrive. In addition, if we have a smart speaker, we can link it to manage it with voice commands. On the side includes a touch screen if we prefer manual control. In the same we will see the temperature, which we can modify, as well as how to make different schedules to activate at a certain time.